So today we are unboxing a safety door lock for toddlers.
And this is how
So
it looks.
it is a one-hand operation and it comes in a 6-pack. So that's.
Can I do
So
it?
it says here to lock, press the side buttons to raise the lock until it's snug against the door handle, and to
Can I
unlock,
open
press
it?
the side buttons and push the lock arm down. So let's see how it looks like.
Can I open it?
So it comes, so as you can see, it comes in a 6-pack.
Can I open it, Mama?
Hold on, you. I gotta figure out how to open this.
Mom, I think you just opened it.
So it has a.
Can I open
I
it?
have opened it. So
Can
it
I
installs
open
in
it
the
now?
doors with no tools. Fits most door lever handles. One-hand operation. Let's open it. There's the instruction, but it's pretty easy to install. It comes in 6, and I'm gonna show you one. So there is an adhesive in the back. You just have to attach it to your door, and as you can see, this is the button.
And there's
on the other side.
instructions.
And just press it together. So sorry for the loud noise. So there is 2 buttons in the sides. You just have to press it to control it. So let's try it on a door.
Okay, so with this we gotta.
So let's see. So it should be like this. So when your kid tries to move the door down, they won't be able to open it. So let's put it over here. So first, let's remove the adhesive. Oh, here's the lock. Let's pull it out.
So you take off the wet thing.
Let me make sure it's clean. So let's do it like this. I'm gonna install it right over here. So let me check the instruction on how many seconds to leave it. So there. And I'm just gonna demonstrate how it looks like. So that's how it looks like, and I'm gonna attach another one downstairs, and it's gonna keep your kid from opening your door.